All right, so what I'm doing today, I'm changing the front bumper because mine was cracked on the edges where it clips on. And I'm gonna be showing you guys what you need for a 09 front conversion for the sedan. So first you're gonna need the bumper, obviously, and then the two side trim pieces that go under, fog lights, or you can get the covers. And then this is the center grille, and then the main grille. My car already had the 09 front, but like I said, I'm changing the bumper because it's cracked, and I'm changing everything. So I'll show you guys what you need to do a 09 for people with the 06 and 07 front. And then next, I'm gonna put this center grille. So it clips on from the back. There's no screws on this, it's all just clips. So I got a towel because I have to face the bumper down. And it's not painted or nothing, but I don't want to get like deep scratches into it. So now I'm just gonna make sure that all these clips are in all the way, all around, and they seem to be. Perfect. So all of those all around. So now I'm gonna put the two trim pieces that go on the edges over there. And I'm gonna put the clips that I took out in the bottom that holds those parts. All right, so now that all those are in, I'm gonna put the top grille. Let's back up. The top grille is pretty easy. It's just clips as well. And so it's just the clips that go there. And then you have to make sure these line up with these little locks right there. So you wanna make sure those line up with that. All right, so they're all in. It's pretty simple. Here we go, all assembled. And now we just gotta put it back on, which is pretty simple. And actually, you might want to leave the fog lights for last because I forgot. I gotta plug them back in, and you can put the fog lights in while the bumper's there. You're gonna have to trim the bumper a little bit. I don't know. Yeah, you can see it here. So that part, so when it airs out, it's rubbing hard. So it's a simple fix, at least just a little bit of cutting there. I'm not gonna do that today, but like a chalkboard. And so what I did, I cut the bumper because yesterday when it was airing out, it was rubbing on there. So like on this side, you see it has that big lip. And I was driving today and it was rubbing on it when I turned hard. So I just cut it so I can fully air out too without messing up this tab. And I just use shears from like the garden. You can't see it that much, but now it doesn't push on that bumper.